Hello. So I did a test stamp on, so I did test stamps with both these little guys, the original and the new one. And the new one is easier to stamp because there's less surface area. And let's do it again though. All right, what I have is brass, and it's about a 1/2 millimeter, and I haven't looked up what gauge that is, and brass is definitely harder than normal. So I've got a 2.5 pound hammer. I've got an Anvil Stump, and I've got 2 big blocks, so it's pretty much non-bouncing. If I need to, I could always jump to a 4 pound brass. I don't know where that is right now. And then I've got a little delrin hammer for backhammering, but don't need to do that too much with this. All right, and I am going to, let's see here. I'm going to use this printing plate foam as a, to drive up some of the detail and to make it easier to reset. So it's probably going to make not as much of a difference on sorry, I can't do 2 things at once. For the more solid one, I'm going to do it just above where the other ones were, and we'll see. All right, I have to really give it a good whack. You know what? I'm going to add a mark. Just so I've got doing this in the same spot. There we go. Knowing where this is a little harder on this sort of design. And it's more round. All right, you may lose some sound when I hammer. Okay, oh, it actually stuck, nice. It doesn't often do that on a harder metal. And I turn the whole thing around because I look at the back to see how even it is. Anyways, because I turn it around because hard as I try, I can't hit it evenly. Get that once, a little more on that side, there we go. And then, oh, it came off good. All right, that looks pretty, that looks good. Gonna leave that and choosing not to backhammer it right now because it's not too bowed. Put the next one, the hollow dots, hollow splashes. This one is going to definitely stick like sharp stamps do, and a little bit more on this side right here. You can tell, even if it's a little bit thicker metal, you sometimes can tell on the back. I don't have the light right for this. This is just a quickie. You can tell on the back how even it is by just how even the flatness is. All right, let's move the foam out of the way. I sometimes will use paper for backing, but right now I'm going to use it so that I don't mar anything. Keep the, those just fell down in my holder. All right, too much, ouch, dang, that stuff, it gets sharp. All right, and I'll do a final look in a patina here in a minute, but let me grab the stamps. So we have, close enough, the solid one, get a little reflection, there we go. The solid one and the other. So, I don't know. Takes some persuasion, but it works with my setup. Let me know what you think.